What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. If you are new to my channel, I am a knife guy. I like to do knife unboxings such as the one you're seeing here. I like to do overviews and reviews. I like to do knife discussions, and I have a Knife Guy series on Sundays. So whether you like to watch, knife stuff on your TV via YouTube, or watch it on your phone or your lunch break, or you like to just Bluetooth stuff in your vehicle and listen while you drive, this might be the channel for you because I upload daily and I am obsessed with all things knife related and EDC related. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and then turn notifications all so you don't miss anything. There's definitely a lot more content coming and there's plenty to watch right now. Let's go ahead and get into this box here. I believe, sometimes I'm wrong, but I believe this was sent by my good buddy Harry, or Shaker MT, in the comments section. Harry is a very generous patron that has done a lot for this channel, and I believe he has sent me, after watching my stuff with some of Jeff's Curtis knives, I think he kind of caught that bug and was like, I would like to get something for myself. And so he said, like he usually does, he's like, I'm going to send this directly to you without even having a chance to handle it. And I'm always like, what? You should totally handle it first for yourself. And he's like, no, I want to send this to you. So I've only seen a picture of this. I have not handled it yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, good Lord. That is beautiful. Okay, so Jeff sent me a cruise one time. It was a really dressy cruise with this same sort of like anodized titanium with like the little milling, and then they did this unique the anodizing amongst this pattern is kind of all over the place, multicolored. So he did the same thing but with a different color pattern. And then obviously we have a beautiful Damasteel blade up here. This is just insane. And now here's the cool thing. I actually have this, and if I remember correctly, yeah. So at the moment, I actually have Harry's and Jeff's. So I actually have two Curtis F3s here. One that's more subdued and just kind of plainer finishes, and one that's very, very dressy. So this will make an exceptional review and overview when the time comes for these knives. Absolutely cool. Harry, this is beautiful, and I'll tell you right now, considering you have not handled this knife, it is absolutely perfect. There is no lock stick. There's no issues with the centering or anything like that. And I haven't checked for blade play yet, but I'm going to guess, yeah, no blade play whatsoever. It looks to be truly flawless, which is what I've come to expect after handling multiple Curtis knives now. So these are amazing. If you have never checked out any of Curtis custom knives before, I urge you to do that. He does excellent work, and the end result is both functional and beautiful. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, like I said, I do have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive. Did I say it right? Expensive or inexpensive? I say it so often that sometimes I forget, and then I go back and I watch the video and I'm like, what were you talking about? I have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.